So at this point, you should have worked with your widgets. You should have added in the correct plugin so that your website's now, search engine friendly. And you should also have played around, more importantly, with the widgets and kind of got things where you want them. So you could have your affiliate banner here. You could put your opt-in boxes up here. You can incorporate, the search feature here so people can find what they are looking for. If it doesn't make sense for you to have a search box or to have a tag cloud, you could actually just remove that. That's going to be completely up to you. Like I'm just going to go ahead and move that part. But we've got a links area, so we need to go ahead and edit that. So whenever you're done making changes, just click on save, and that'll make sure that those changes went ahead and took effect. So I'm going to go back here to dashboard. On the left hand side, we're going to click on links, and we're going to fix our links here. So you will see here under links all these different links here. None of these links by default that come in here in WordPress are you ever going to need to link to again. So most of the time you can just come in here, click this link right up here, click that little checkbox which will highlight all of these, choose bulk action, choose delete, and then click on apply. And then the other option here that's going to come up here is blog roll. And you can choose to edit this category if you want. So you need to have at least one link category, and you can change how you want it to display. So let's, instead of calling it blog roll, let's call this let's say licensed jerseys, or we could call it something else, links, and then click on update. And then what you want to do here, if you want to add a new link, you could, for example, here it says Nifty blogging software. You could say, you could even highlight the top jerseys, the top sellers. So Tim Tebow jerseys, if that's what you're doing. It's completely up to you. A web address could be like youraffiliatelink.com. And then choose links. And then as far as what you want your link to do, I typically will select the blank, the underscore blank, which means it will open in a new window or tab. And then everything else, I typically will just keep it as it is. And we're just going to go right over here and choose add link. And then we can refresh. You'll notice now that we edited that, instead of it saying blog roll, it now says links, and it looks a lot cleaner here. You could say my favorite jersey store. And again, the links here could be your affiliate links. Choose your category, which I would just stick with links. Go with blank. That way it opens in a new tab. We'll go over here on the right side to add link. Just to give you an idea, I'll go back here to links, and we'll add one more link just so you can kind of see what it would look like. This would be a great spot to put in some sort of a free offer. You could say free tips on finding free jersey shopping tips, or free real estate investing tips, those kinds of things. Yoursqueezepage.com. If you wanted to go with blank, you could say find how to get the best deal on jerseys. And then we'll go over here, click on add link. So now we've added 3 links here. If you go into all links, you can manage them, you can edit them, you can add more to it. You don't really need tons of links, to set up your first site, but at least, incorporate a couple affiliate links. And then if you also have an opt-in box, I would also link to a squeeze page of some sort here as well. That way it gives people, just another way that they can actually be added to your list. This again works for any niche out there. I'm showing this as an example for sports uniforms and other things. So we're going to go on to one of the final steps here, which is to change the header graphic so that it obviously fixes with what we have, which for now we're just going to remove it in that video, and then we just need to edit the sample page and this part of it so that you're ready to start blogging, adding content to your site, and start getting traffic to it.